2018 Toyota Yaris review. The 2018 Toyota Yaris has more advanced safety features than most subcompact cars, but it in the bottom third of the class due in part to its sluggish acceleration and out-of-state transmission. New for 2018. Refreshed interior and exterior styling. Pros and cons. Many standard safety and tech features. Easy maneuvering. Underwhelming engine power. Boring handling. Uncomfortable seats. The Yaris is an okay car. Its positives include numerous standard tech and safety systems, excellent maneuverability, and a decent interior. However, it's not very fun to drive, and the seats aren't very comfortable. If you live in the city and want an affordable, easy-to-drive hatchback with lots of features, the Yaris is worth a look. But many subcompact rivals have similar prices and offer nicer interiors or more engaging driving dynamics, so be sure to shop around before making a decision. Still, you'll be hard-pressed to find a base model loaded with more safety and tech features than the Yaris. We analyzed 43 Toyota Yaris reviews to give you a snapshot of the vehicle's strengths and weaknesses. We've also included information on fuel economy, safety, cargo capacity, and more to help you decide if the Yaris is the right car for you. Toyota refreshed the Yaris styling both inside and out for the 2018 model year, but there have been no major changes since the last full redesign for 2012. As a result, this 2018 Yaris review uses applicable research and data from the 2012 through 2018 model years. The 2018 Toyota Yaris sedan is a different model, and is reviewed separately. The 2018 Toyota Yaris is a great match for city dwellers. It has decent power for driving around city streets, and its excellent maneuverability and short length make it easy to get into small parking spaces. The Yaris struggles at highway speeds, however, thanks to its slow acceleration. It gets decent fuel economy for a subcompact car. The Yaris is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that puts out 106 horsepower. A 5-speed manual transmission is standard and a 4-speed automatic is optional. Models equipped with the automatic transmission get up to 30 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. That's typical for a subcompact car. The Yaris' meager engine power is sufficient for around-town driving, but merging and passing at highway speeds will require some patience because the Yaris doesn't accelerate very quickly. Neither of the available transmissions improve acceleration, they are both unrefined and have fewer gears than most competitors have. Thanks to its excellent maneuverability, the Yaris is well suited to city driving. It has a reasonably smooth ride, too. It stays composed around corners, but it's not particularly sporty. The SAE trim adds sport-tuned suspension that slightly improves the handling. The 2018 Toyota Yaris has a nice cabin, with soft-touch materials covering most surfaces. Still, many competitors feel more upscale inside and have nicer fit and finish. The Yaris seats offer few adjustments up front and limited space in the back. The Yaris has numerous high-tech standard features that are easy to use. Cargo space is above average for a subcompact car but a bit low for a hatchback. The 5-seat Yaris comes standard with a tilting steering wheel and cloth upholstery. No other comfort features are available. It can be difficult for tall drivers to get comfortable because the front seats have limited adjustments, and the steering wheel doesn't telescope. When it's just the driver up front, the cabin feels spacious, but with a passenger in the next seat, things feel a bit more confined. The back seats don't offer much room, and the seats in both rows aren't especially comfortable. For installing child safety seats, the Yaris has full sets of latch connectors on the outboard rear seats, with an additional upper tether anchor on the middle seat. Standard features in the 2018 Toyota Yaris include a 6-speaker stereo, a 6.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a USB port, Bluetooth, pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. Cruise control, remote keyless entry, and navigation are available. The Yaris is very well equipped for the class, with all models featuring advanced safety systems that are not even available in some subcompact competitors. The in-tune infotainment system is easy to use, though it lacks advanced smartphone integration like you can get in many rivals. The stereo's audio quality is subpar. The XF has the largest trunk among luxury midsize cars, measuring 19.1 cubic feet. In all but the base trim, you can lay the 402,040 split folding rear seats down to create more room. Most find the trunk to be sizable enough to carry even bulky items, like large suitcases and golf clubs. The available hands-free trunk lid is convenient when your hands are full.